Hello all, and welcome back to HighPriest Reacts to MLP, Friendship is Magic, Season 8, Episode 23, The Sound of Silence. Right. So, this is I think this has something comparing it to, the very, very good episode about the Apple family a while back, with Shatner in it. I'm not going in with hyper expectations, though, because that sounds like a recipe for getting disappointed. Would you stop fucking bursting apart? That's a flashlight and laser pointer, and that's the part that's popping the fuck off. Right. I'm not expecting anything major here. I'm literally not even looking at the summary. I'm hoping it's going to be good. It'll probably be plot relevant since it's the second to last episode of the end of the season. Maybe it'll be really fucking good. My favorite episode of the series will always remain that episode, I feel. But maybe this might have a chance at approaching it. I would sorely wish to find out. Yeah. I don't know what it's about. I don't know, Sound of Silence. Maybe it's something musically related. Maybe something with talking. I don't know. It could be invoking the song Sound of Silence, which I believe is, shit that's supposed to be emotional as fuck. But I don't know. So, let's get to it. I do like to acknowledge that their world names tend to be a bit more literal. All that, and so you have to retrace your steps because she got scared enough to stay back. Oh, wow, she's actually got her to listen. Character growth instead of fundarization for once, huh? I mean, you are the kind of one who went into their place. Oh, look, they don't speak your language. Almost as if a tribe with no communication with the rest of the world for centuries wouldn't instantly know what you say. Oh, so they are speaking in Polish. Okay, so they just don't speak. Oh, I can see why it's called the Sounds of Silence then. Nobody here will talk to them, so... Oh, also, we now know it's called Ponish. Y'all, yeah, you're just gonna ask yourself. She's gonna find the fire one, and that's gonna be the source of the friendship issue. Okay, I like this character. She's the music with her, Am I saying that right? I haven't spoken in a while. I wonder what the deal with her and her, willingness to communicate excessively. Okay, so they've taken a vow of silence to explain things. I like her. She's fun. So they're the fire creatures. They're all of it. I feel like she's a big name, but I'm not recognizing her. But I'm loving it. Seriously, I feel like she's a big name singer or something because I feel like I've heard her voice before, and I'm loving this. Actually done song, holy shit, I love it. I definitely like that song, and I'm really feeling this character. I fucking love it. I did kind of forget her name because, just introduced, but I'm like, oh, you poor thing. Oh. Oh man, I fucking love this character and every moment she's on screen. She's great. Oh, they're evicting you because you're arguing! So bad fire.
She's trying to help. You have no idea. Fluttershy, meet Autumn Blaze. 73.5 times.
Oh, maybe it's a flower that only blooms when something burns.
I wish she told us what kind of.
Oh, yeah, I think she picked those flowers to make that guy's nest.
Little help. He says he knows where to find bull's breath. Tell me everything and feel free to add complicated descriptions and comedic tangents.
I love Autumn Blaze, I do. The fact that being a vow of silence isn't going to keep you from getting frustrated. I cannot but imagine that if she had found that cure, she would eventually blazed out of control without restraint. Well, alright, we're finished with that episode. Damn, that flew by a lot faster than I thought it would. Oh, okay. The person was comparing it because it wasn't because they're a list of essentials, but it's just a really good episode overall. And but not on but they weren't saying it was on par. I'm definitely not disappointed because I didn't go in there with expectations to be the perfect pair too. But that was pretty fucking good. In fact, so good, I'm going to look this shit up right now to try to find out who that voice actress was. Because I feel like I'm recognizing her singing. It feels reminiscent. Who is... I really feel like I recognize the character of Autumn Blaze. Okay, and so it was in fact a reference to the Simon and Garfunkel song, The Sound of Silence, but everyone knows the Disturbed version better because of how fucking goddamn good that was. And Sound of Silence being their album. I did like that song, and I really liked Autumn Blaze. What is Autumn Blaze's actress? Oh, it was one of the Comic-Con episodes. Seriously. Rebecca Dart. Oh, no, wait, no, that's, okay. No, Rebecca Dart was the... Yeah, that was definitely not. Autumn Blaze. Who is her VA? That doesn't answer that question. Who plays Autumn Blaze? This is annoying. Okay, MLP Wiki, you are failing me. I am trying to find out Autumn Blaze, the talkative Kieran. What is her name? This is actually getting to me because she's like... Autumn Blaze VA, yeah. There we go, finally. No, that didn't. More. Okay, here we go. I missed the voice. Okay, Rachel Bloom. I do not instantly recognize her. But I feel like I've heard of Rachel Bloom singing before. And it was and I really liked her singing there. If that was her doing the song. Flat out, that was a really good song. That was a really good episode. It's definitely not my top 10. Maybe. Maybe I should do a top 10 episode at some point. Where I binge watch the entire show again and then write down, do a top 10. Or, I could do an tier list of all the episodes. Someone's probably made one of those ahead of time. If not, that's actually something I could do a tier list. Future things, so. If it is, it's definitely not on par with Perfect Pair, but it was still a really solid episode. I really enjoyed it. No relevance to the next episode, I don't think. Maybe Blaze comes in with Rays to help to save the day from the Rays, but still, that was a nice episode. The Kieran are neat. And I really enjoyed the character of, Autumn Blaze. And outside of that, though, even outside of, the great character of Autumn Blaze, the rest of it was enjoyable, too. There we go. I hadn't even noticed that I'd pulled in that. I hate when light hits the camera like that. Sorry. Anyways. Petting a dog right now. You can't see her. Anyways, that was a good episode. Oh, I did a dumb. Fathers Knows Best, the second to last episode of the season. How did I forget that? Okay, well, it's not on my list. So I'll just watch it on my own and then boom. And do a review of it if it's relevant. This is... Oh, the vibrate's dying out. And I will see you all next time, folks. I hope I don't have to tie out.